All right, thanks for stopping by. I'm cooking in the van tonight. A lot of people have asked me, what do you cook in the van? Well, it's usually something like this. I don't know what you call it. It's some kind of pizza, I guess. It's on a tortilla, and then you have the Prego sausage and herb style sauce. It's a pasta sauce. And then I have Black Forest ham and some Colby Jack cheese. It's about to get in my belly. Oh, and check this out. So there's the new backsplash in the Matty wagon. And the van is a mess. Do I do this? Yeah, let's go ahead. So over here is my 5-gallon bucket that I keep chips and bread in and peanut butter and stuff like that. This is my plate. This is a baking sheet that you would put in the oven to bake cookies on. But I'm telling you, it makes the best plate and the best serving tray. You can put it right in your lap and just eat right off of it. And this is about to get in my belly. And let's see, what else have I not shown you? My new interior siding is like that fabric that just is peel and stick, and you just peel the back off and you press it, and all this, that's all it is. And it's kind of like stuff you would put on like speaker cabinets, but it has adhesive on the back of it. It worked out great. It covered up the insulation. I just went right on top of the insulation with that. And it's lighter weight. You know, I didn't have to put up paneling or anything. And that's my little cooking light up top so I can see what I'm cooking. And this is my cabinet. That's my fridge. I don't have much in there right now. I need to restock. I do like the backsplash though. That's pretty nice. Here's the cabinet over here. Got the hoodie hanging up on the cabinetry. And you know what? I'm hungry. I'm gonna have to stop this right here and eat. So I decided to go ahead and make a nighttime video. We haven't done this in about a year. So let's see what's all going on in here. So I have my cabinets over here. I'm sitting here in my passenger seat. It is swiveled around backward. It stays this way all the time. And I almost made the bed. I came so close, but I just hate making the bed. And I left this space open under here so you can see what's under the bed. I usually put a throw blanket down right here where it conceals all that. But I thought, nope, let's go ahead and do this and show what all is under the bed. I got 2 power stations under there, a bunch of butane, some other knickknacks, trash bags, my reacher. The bed is on a platform which I can lift up from here up. Now I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have this stick here. It's just a metal rod, and it just happened to be the right length. I don't even know where I found it, but I use it. I lift up the bed platform, put my knee under it, then grab this stick. The stick usually hangs on this screw right here, so it's in reach. And under the bed, I got tons of stuff. I got 2 big power stations, bunch of knickknacks. That crate, that gray crate, has winter clothes in it. You can see the bed frame there. And then under this box, I have my house batteries. I have 200 amp hour. Yeah, you can see one right here. There's one of them. That's a 100 amp hour battery. And then I have another one. Can't see that, it's under there. There. So that's the way I'm rolling. There's the underbed storage in the Matty wagon. Too bad the lighting's not good, but like I said, it's nighttime. We're doing a nighttime video. All right, I'm gonna put the bed back down. Okay, so that stick I used to put under the platform, I put it back over here. That's it there. I just put some tape around the edges to dull off the sharp edges. Some on the bottom and the top. And let's see, these are just basins that I never really use for anything. I just keep them for storage. I have some dude wipes in here, napkins, toothbrush, toothpaste. Oh, and this little thing here I got to show you. I got 2 of these. These are ultrasonic mouse repellent devices. Watch this. Turn it on and it flashes and it makes this sound that only mice can hear. I put one under the hood at night and then one in the floorboard under like the brake pedal every night. There's the name, Larath. Get them on Amazon, and you can put 3 AA batteries here in the side, and they last for like 2 or 3 weeks before you have to replace them. Or I recharge my AA batteries. I have gotten up to a month before, but usually it's about 3 weeks. So I got 2 of those. The other one's in the floorboard up under the brake pedal, ready to go. Let's see. Here's the sink. How dirty is it? Well, it's not bad. It's been worse. There's my water dispenser. There's all my stickers from people I've met. More stickers, more stickers. I haven't put up my privacy panel yet tonight, but usually it goes right there. Have the screen kind of pinned up here with a magnet. And I have another screen up in the back that I roll up, and I put a alligator clip on it, and it sticks to a magnet right there. See that round one? And that it just rolls up and holds it there. Okay, let me get on back here. And let's see. More cabinets. These go all the way up to the ceiling almost. And I'm about to put some coffee in this mug. We're gonna have some coffee this evening. And that is the Matty wagon. The ceiling is just Reflectix covered with white vinyl. That's gonna be coming down. If I get a high top, I gotta cut all that down. It's very simple. I could do it in about an hour. And I'll probably have to remove this cabinet before they can put the new high top on. But everything else, I think they can work around, or at least I'll find that out on Wednesday, if they can work around it or not. And the ceiling's just held up with magnets. You can see the little buttons up top there. Looks like buttons, but it's really just magnets. And the Reflectix has kind of wrinkled over time. That's just what happens when you go to hot weather and cold weather. But getting rid of that, getting the high top on, this thing is gonna be amazing. But I'm still gonna keep it like, you know, light build, no build, whatever you call it, because I didn't build anything. I just bolted cabinets to the wall. The van came with those wooden planks down the side. I cut them down here by the bed. They used to extend all the way down, and I cut those down so I wouldn't hit my head on them. And I'm 6'2", so when I sleep on this twin size bed, I sleep with my head over here and then my feet over here at a diagonal angle. That's just the way I have to do it so I can stretch out. Okay, so this is what I ended up doing here. I have these 2x6 boards that I keep right here in the door. I've actually got another one right there. Cut them about 1 foot long, and I just lay them down and drive up on them. And that's about what I needed to get this side level, because this hill kind of slopes down to the right. And I wanted to park here. I wanted to get the shade off of that alligator juniper tree. So all I had to do was just put the boards under one wheel. The other one is kind of up on a hump there. So that'll work. It's downhill a little bit to the right, but that's okay because I sleep with my head on the driver's side, which is left. I just don't like sleeping with my head downhill. And my bed platform, it is self-leveling. I mean, I can lift the platform up, stick some boards under it, and level it up from the inside if I need to. So I like to have that option in case I'm in the city and I'm parked on the side of the street. You know how the street always kind of leans like, let me tilt the camera. It'll make your van lean to the right because of the crown of the road. So that's when I started figuring out a way to be able to level the bed from the inside. So that came in handy several times when I used to do a lot of city stealth parking overnight. Haven't used that feature in a long time, haven't needed to. I like to stay out here in the woods. So there we go, I'm leveled good enough. And let me give you a shot this way. So that's pretty good right there. That's good enough for me. So I guess that'll do it for this one. Check in later. Thanks for watching. Take care, be well, and smash the bell.